Hello everyone! A new day has begun. Today, please follow me to see what the work of construction vehicles will be like. I will introduce my team. First is me, the excavator. I have a yellow shirt. Right behind me, the red dump truck. Next is the pink dump truck. And right after that is the concrete mixer, and finally the road roller. Our job today is to repair a damaged section of road. First, the excavator will dig up the damaged road surface and transfer it to the red dump truck. Then the red dump truck has the task of transporting that construction material to another place for other uses. Next is the pink dump truck to transfer small stones to make a new surface for the road. Then cover it with a layer of concrete brought by the concrete mixer. Finally, the road roller will have the task of making the road surface really flat. So we have just finished repairing a damaged section of road. Do you think we are good? If you think we are good, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and remember to share the channel to help me. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.